So here we are in a sunny, cold but windy afternoon. Going to look around some of the plants that are currently out in this one bulb bed. Coming down here, the heat we had just the other day have brought this Corydalis solida, a pink one, so probably close to Beth Evans, although it's not, it's too white and pink, this one, to be Beth Evans. Just round beside it, a nice little Scilla and a Hepatica. So there's so much, and it's great at this time. Look down here. Look down here we can see the noses coming through of Dactylorhiza, the orchid. Another Corydalis here. This time the darker one. And then over there we can see the larger Crocus vernus forms. These are the ones that are so readily available in the shops and garden centres. Over we can see the foliage there, that's of Colchicum agrippinum that was in flower in the autumn, and some of the bigger colchicums there with a lovely Salmisia, softer leafed Salmisia. Moving around is of course the snowdrops, a wonderful flower. More Corydalis foliage, this time one of the hybrids with Corydalis flexuosa. And the lovely flowers of snowdrops, and hidden in amongst them here, look, is Iris Catherine Hodgkins, Corydalis solida, and there's another crocus. This is Vernus Huflianus with the darker markings towards the end of the petals. Just the way the snowdrops dance about in the wind is really quite lovely to see. Little dancing white fairies. So as we move round, it's all happening in this bed now. Such a change in the last few days. Hellebores with the spikes of Fritillaria imperialis, and here hiding in with these crocuses here. As I move round, fine, stretching up to compete with the crocuses is Eranthus. This is the Guinea gold form. So there's quite a bare patch in the middle here because stuff's just starting to emerge. You can see more Fritillaria imperialis, more snowdrops over in the background. But down here, in the foreground, the Corydalis caucasica coming through. And here we can see Erythronium shoots and a Meconopsis starting to unfurl there as well. And here the shoots, thin narrow shoots here, are an allium beside one of the Fritillaria imperialis. Corydalis caucasica there, the purpley caucasica with the creamy white Malkensis. And these do hybridize in the garden, and we do get some hybrids appearing. A lovely little one of the earlier trumpet daffodils, can't remember particularly which one this is, but it's certainly one of the species that we've raised from seeds. I'll need to check my records to remember. And then here we come to the Leucojum. This is the lovely form with the yellow tips to the flowers. All this group is, but you know, this is all a clone. But if we move here, you can see here that it's one's got quite green tips while the other's got quite yellow. This is exactly the same plant, so it varies even in the single year. Around here, one of the nice Sandersi group there with the yellow ovaries and the yellow markings of a snowdrop. So that's even in just in this little bed at this time of year. Quite a lot to see, and this bed will give us interest all the way through the year now until we go back into winter again.